My knuckles are hurting again. Oh God, that's a tree. So my knuckles are hurting again. Oh, I saw you get squirrely there. Oh. Getting crooked, aren't you? I'm glad that's over. My hands are done.
Good?
Yeah.
Much more fun going down. I agree with you.
I see you get sideways on that one turn. You said,
Yeah.
oh, there he is. We going down that way?
Follow on Paul. Follow on Paul.
Go. Bomber.
This way, right? Following you. Oh, no.
Following me or Paul. I can't feel my hands, dude. They hurt. I can't. My fans are gonna slip off the bars. Come on, man. My feet just flew off the pedals.
You down to the right?
And he said we're gonna see what some of these people climb on this.
Downhill traffic, real through uphill traffic.
That's BS. We're trying to bomb some hills and get. We're trying to get rowdy. Oh, what did you clip that tree? Did you clip that tree?
Yeah.
Ah, this is gonna be fun. Climbing up. Hey, two behind me. Oh, this looks fun right here. This is what I'm talking about. I got a fly in my mouth. My line was better. I rode that wall and jumped off of it. Oh, that'll flip you over the bars.
Another one. Whoa!
Is that it? I say we go down that. That looks fun. Is that, ain't it?
I think so, dude.
That's gotta be it, because that's steep. That looks like it climbs up. That was fun. Did you see that one line I took?